is up? So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, it's another reaction video. By the way, if you were just new on my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. My name is Ajeli. So ako po ay isang Filipino YouTube reactor. And for today's video, magre-react na tayo ngayon dito sa All By Myself version ni Stel. You know, Stel is my bias sa SB19, and you know, I know the range of his voice talaga. Sobrang So anyway, hindi ako nanood ng mga highlights or something dito sa Facebook or even also sa ibang social media platforms. Ano ba yan? Bubulol tayo pa nagsasalita. But anyway, so eto, may full video. So this is, sabi ni Stel daw, this is an impromptu performance. So titignan natin kung kaano nga ba niya na-slay itong performance na ito. So ayun, let's see how this video goes. And again, without further ado, mahaba pa yung intro ko sa video mismo. So without further ado guys, simulan na natin. Mag-react na tayo dito ngayon, dito sa All By Myself version ni Stel. And of course, the man himself, David Foster. Intro pa lang. Yeah, pasok pa lang, maganda na yung banat. Ang kulot. Just be a baribar. Taas na lang. Ito na. Tahimik na. Tumahimik na lahat. Ito na. Excited ako dito. Oh my God! Ang taas na! Ang taas! Oh my God! Sige pa! Ayoko na. Just medyo mariba. Oh my God, Stel. Ano yun? Napagod lang. Grabe! Nakakawindang yun! Oh, God! Parang gusto kong ulitin yung buong yung buong video. I really want to repeat everything kasi parang gusto kong damhin ulit yung yung kanta. Yung kanta mismo. Sabi ko, grabe, ang taas nun, pre! Sana okay ka pa, no, Snell? Sana okay ka pa? No, after nung video, sana okay ka pa. Ang taas nun, shakes, man! I don't know why I say that his voice was really super grabe. Alam mo yung kasi yung pinakamataas na, na voice sa male is tenor. Tenor yung pinakamataas. Yung pinakamababa is bass, so tenor. So, ngayon ko lang talagang medyo na yung boses ni Stel. I've been a fan of SB19 ever since then. Pero, grabe. Sobrang taas nung na yun, yung eksena na yun. You know, this is one of the hardest or pinakamataas na kanta talaga, yung All By Myself. And definitely, shook kate. He nailed it. Oh my God, hanggang sa last part talaga. Oh my God! Hindi na pa ako na alam mo yung kinakabahan ka, no? You know that parang hindi maabot yun. Pero grabe, sabi niya daw sa performance na ito, impromptu. So, ibig sabihin, walang practice to, mga te, walang practice. Ibig sabihin, impromptu. Yun mismo sa eksena na ito. So, anyway guys, gusto ko siyang ulitin kasi gusto ko madama. No? Gusto ko damhin yung kanta. Talagang sabi ko, oh my God. First pa lang, no? Yung tumataas na yung balahibo mo. Goosebumps talaga, promise. Totoo yan. So, I must say, kailangan kong ulitin yung song, yung video itself, para makita natin kung gaano nga ba kagaling dito si Stel Fester Ahero. Diyos mio, Marimar. Bahala na kayo sa buhay nyo, pero sigurado talaga ako sa inyo, mga te. Grabe yung umangat kasi. So, gumaganon-ganon pa nga ako. Kasi sabi ko, hindi ko, mahirap abutin tong kanta na to. Sobrang taas nito. So, grabe. Hanga ako sa boses ni Stel. Sobra. No, kasi, alam mo yun? Ay! Saglit lang. Ulitin natin, guys. Bahala kayo, pero ulitin ko. I really wanted. You know? Okay. Ito na, ito na. Grabe. Ang taas, grabe. Ayoko na. Ay, grabe. Talaga, best. Hindi ko kinaya yan. Promise. Promise. Promise, guys. Hindi mo kakayanin talaga. Promise, totoo talaga. Sinasabi ko talaga sa inyo. Alam nyo, guys, I've been a bias of Stel ever since then talaga. No? Kasi, madalas pag nagsastan ako sa isang K-pop group or P-pop group, most of my bias are vocals. Main vocals talaga. So, dito pa lang, just, ang grabe, ngayon ko lang appreciate yung boses ni Stel. No? Kasi, grabe, ang tindi nitong kanta na to, nakakatanggal ng balahibo, no? Hindi ka lang gugusmams, no? Hindi siya tumataas yung balahibo mo, pero tinatanggal niya na yung buong balahibo mo sa sobrang, Diyos mio, Maria, sinasabi ko talaga sa inyo. Ibang klase itong na to itong eksena na to. So, I didn't regret that pinanood ko to ulit, no? Kasi, iba. Pag every time, dinadama mo talaga yung song, no? Hindi ko na alam. Oh my God. So, anyway, guys, grabe. Ibang klase. Pati ako na blown away. So, anyway, so, yun lamang po for today's video. Sorry kung medyo mahaba yung ating video for today, but it is worth it naman panoorin yung performance ni Stel, and talagang sobrang nakaka-blow away, nakaka-take it away. So, gusto mo nang umalis sa upuan mo, you really want to go out of your seat because of that performance. It feels like you are in the big dome talaga itself, kasi iba. What if dun ka pa talaga sa big dome, siguro mabuang-buang ka na talaga, no? If marinig mo yung performance niya personally, and then everything would just do it like that. Oh my God. Anyway, so yun lamang po for today's video. By the way, if you were just new on my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and of course, turn on the notification bell so you're gonna be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. And of course, follow me to all my social media platforms. The links are on the description box. Please do, guys. Please follow me sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa X, and of course sa TikTok. So please, everything, my username was in uniform, so wala namang pagbabago yan. So just follow me there. Just open all the links, and then you're gonna be following me, pero you're gonna be updated every time nag-upload tayo ng mga bagong videos. And of course, yun. Anyway, so that's it for today's video, guys. Maraming salamat sa pag-tune in. Sorry if the video was very long. It's worth it to watch, and promise, guys, you're gonna be blown away. Promise that. The almost 4 minutes na video, and it's just really, it's really, oh my God, you're just gonna, speechless na talaga ako. The performance is really good. Nakakapagod mag-comment, but, still, I do really admire your performance, the voice, oh my God, walang eme. But yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and again, see you po on my next video. May bulat tayo. Sorry. So, you're gonna see me guys on my next video. Stay safe, and of course, God bless po. Maraming salamat, and of course, bye-bye!